So I'm about to sing for my friend Brittany, and I'm about to sing "In Love with Another Man" by Jasmine Sullivan. Hold on, I got burp.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I could say there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, hey, I'm in love with another man, and I know it ain't right. Okay, Britt, now leave me alone.